Yes, I am Sajjad Hussain Shah. I welcome you to my channel Dubai Driver 512. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the button so that every new video will be sent to your mobile on reaching the screen. We will discuss how much license categories in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. A total of 8 categories of Dubai driving license. In detail, we will tell you about the 8 categories today. First of all, I will tell you on number 1 category. Number 1 category is the motorcycle license. Motorcycle licenses are in high demand in Dubai, not Dubai, all over the world. These days, food pandas and every supermarkets and food restaurants or shops requires delivery boys for home delivery. Age must be 18 to get a motorcycle license, and a handsome salary can make a man out of it. No special education is required for this. Just you know how to use mobile or you know about the location. The second one is the category number 2 is the car license. The car license comes in category number 2. The car license is also manual and automatic. In some states of United Arab Emirates, it has category number 2, and in some states it comes in license category number 3. Light vehicle license category number 3 is the most demanded Dubai license with the highest number of seats in every schools. The highest job vacancy in Dubai is for number 3 license, and the most handsome salary and the license is in demand by every company. Now we will talk about the category number 4 of the license, which counts as a total truck driver. This is my job. This is also my professional, and also you know our channel is also Dubai truck driver. It's a very tough job and the salary is very good, but even the most fines comes with the same truck driver license. Every driver in Dubai are heavily fined. This is a high salary job and the fines are high. And if not careful, can lead to accident. There are a lot of jobs in transport companies, and apart from cargo companies, heavy duty driver is also in demand in construction companies. Now we talk about this light bus of license category number 5. This is a 27-seater bus. It is mostly used for the movement of staff from shifting. Good salary is made, and all the tourists etc who comes also travel mostly in this bus. Age of 20 to 21 years is very important for this category. Now let's talk about lessons category number 6, which is heavy bus. The 27 seaters bus dates back to 70 seaters and has a rich salary and is most in demand among construction companies as labor shifts from accommodation to working place. It is also counted in public transport and it helps to take the passenger from one city to another city, and Umrah and Hajj, the vehicle that go from here Dubai to Saudi Arabia, mostly have the same category of driving lessons. Now we will talk about lessons category number 7, which includes forklift, and you know about it as many cargoes or construction companies for loading, unloading materials from vehicles or shifting from one place to another place. It is in high demand job. Apart from forklifts, they also do other work for the company and mostly stay within the company, which is why fines are also very low. Now we will talk about lessons category number 8. It is the last category, lessons number 8. Heavy forklifts and heavy machineries or cranes, bulldozers. It is all of them are included in the same lessons category number 8, and these people have very good salary and demand is also enough. In addition, they only have to do a lot of safety. The expensive are also enough to get the lessons, and it also takes a lot of efforts. I hope you like this video of ours. Our prayers are with you. May Allah bless you. Grant us permission. Allah Hafiz.